Hi boys and girls, it's Shane and Jennifer. We're doing a kitten update. So last night, we got the one kitten out and I did the video, but then later, meowing started happening again, so I opened it up, and I'll see if I can show you a clip from my live, because we were live when it happened, but Mama Cat was there, and she was vicious and tried to attack me. We could not find another one earlier. Now it's quiet. Oh, hello. You're not a baby.
Maybe she'll take baby and go now.
Maybe.
If we keep making this.
Oh man, she is mad. I do not want to let that go. Here.
She's like, where's
Hold
my other
the
baby?
camera. Yeah, I don't want angry cat in here. I don't know what to do. So now I've come up with a plan to get these kittens out of the ceiling, I think safely, maybe. Let's see. Okay, so I don't want my face to get scratched. So I got this sandblasting helmet. I think that'll protect it from scratches from the face. And I also don't want my hand to get bit. Oh, I probably need to get a leather jacket that I can put on to put leather on my arm. Let me go grab one of my old leather jackets. So this should, I think, protect my arm from most of the biting and scratching that might happen. Do I look stupendous, dear?
You look amazing.
Of course I do. I'm going to do one of these. So I feel like I have a +1 against cat scratches right now. I don't see anything right this second. Let me go ahead and let this thing down and hope we don't end up with a feral cat in the house. So we're gonna look around and see if we see any kittens again. We had several people asking about why not just go into the attic. This is a small piece of 4 foot wide by about 10 foot long access that is, we'd have to cut into the drywall is the only way to get into it. There is no attic access into this space, if that answers your question. It's a very small area. It's just over the stair landing, and this brick wall you're seeing right here prevents us from going from any other part of the house into this. Not exactly certain how the cats got into here. I think they may have found a place to crawl up from the roof of one of the porches and squeeze into here. Obviously the mother can come and go since she's left, and apparently has left the kittens as well, because I did not see one in here. If you see a kitten in here, please tell me where, like mark it on the video in the comments, 314 or 312 or something like that, when you may have seen a kitten, because I've watched this several times and I've not been able to spot one. I'm hesitant to block off the place I think they're getting in, because if they are somewhere inside the house, then they won't have food or anything else, and we'll end up with a unalived cat that will start to smell probably very quickly. So that doesn't really seem like an option. I'm open to suggestions though, if anybody has any good ideas of what I should do. I guess we're just gonna have to wait and see if the cats come back and keep our equipment here. And I don't know what we're gonna do, but make sure to follow and I'll let you know what we do.
The song kind of dictates that they'll come back. The cat came back, he didn't want to stray. He was back on the porch on the very next day.
I hope that's not the case. I kinda like it to stay gone at this point.